Hello?
I can hear them. I can hear them.
We've always been able to hear them, Max. The helmet lets you talk back.
Hello, this is Max from the Clubhouse.
Hi, Max. I can't hear you. Is Blueberry there?
They can hear me. They can hear me. Yes, Blueberry's here. And so are Huckleberry and Juneberry, Blueberry's parents.
Oh, wow. I didn't expect a call from the whole family. Welcome, berries. And welcome to the Arkansas Craft School.
Thanks. Me and Blueberry trying to make a friendship tree, but we don't have any idea what that is. Can you help us?
I want to introduce you to one of our best friends here at the Arkansas Craft School, Delisa Eads-Wagar. She'll be helping you today with your friendship tree.
This way. We're gonna go. Look at that. It's right there.
I love being a fiber artist and let me explore all types of make-believe, like dragons, wizards, fairies, gnomes, trolls, witches, and of course, cute, cuddly animals. So let's get right down to business and let me show you my friendship and support tree. And I put all my friends on it that helped me felt. And I just thought the pretty colors were like my friends. So they each got a different leaf with a different color. And they all support me and help me do my felting. And I put the school's teachers on the bottom because they help me too. They're part of my support, like the bottom of a tree. Let me show you how felting works. The needles have barbs on them, like a backwards barb. So when you push it in and pull it out, it mats it together. It's actually a mat, that's what you're making. You know, but I make it in shapes and pieces and parts, and then I put all the pieces and parts together.
Keep the needles away from me.
And I make little critters. It's pretty neat. Having a friendship tree reminds me of everybody that helps me along the way and supports me. I chose to use mine out of felt because that's what I do. I'm a felting teacher, but yours doesn't have to be felted if you decide to make a tree. I think a friendship and support tree could be made out of anything. You could use any material you want. You could even take paper bags and twirl them up like a tree and tape them together. You could put your friends on them or do like I did and just give them all a color so you know who they are.
Next time. See you.
I hope this helps you build your friendship tree.
If you need any help, come see us at the Arkansas Craft School.
Bye.